Alright, you YouTube folks. Welcome to Joey's World 720. I appreciate you watching. We're going to break this jersey open and see what kind of fire we got in there. First, I want to give a shout out to the vets on this side of the water, the other side of the water, and in the sandbox. Appreciate everything they do. I also want to give a shout out to the families and everybody affected in Virginia Beach yesterday for that craziness. I ain't going to talk too much about it. It's just right down the street. But, you know, it's just buck wild. But anyway, a little bit too close to home. So, alright. So we're just going to bust this thing open and see what happens. Got my little security here. Little security guy. My bobblehead. Yeah, Dustin, I didn't realize that was authentic either until after I took pictures. Wow. Alright. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. See what kind of nastiness we got here. My trusty little not so sharp army knife. That's great, Connie. Glad you like it. That card I actually won on a Raz for that Dan Marino auto. I won on a Raz that was like a can't think of it. It was a fundraiser. It was like a really cheap Raz, but I won it. So I figured I'd give it to somebody that likes them. I mean, I like them, but it's just not my guy. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. Is everybody nervous? Is everybody nervous out there? Oh my god! I love my bobbleheads. Can I get a drum roll? I'll tell you one thing. It's a Hall of Famer. Does that help anybody? Alright, here we go. I need a drum roll. Can I get a drum roll from anybody? Are y'all drum rolling in your heads? Look, if y'all like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Right there on the bottom corner, you see our logo. You can hit that and you can subscribe all by yourself. So, we got a number 24. Goes to Mandy. Tim Brown. Wait, is it Tim Brown? Hall of Famer. There's a certificate of authenticity. Willie Brown? Who the fuck is this? That's number 4, 24. Nice jersey though. Hollywood Collectibles. Alright guys, I appreciate it. Remember, it's brought to you by JW720. Come find us on Facebook. You can get in some of our breaks and stuff. And congratulations, Mandy. That's all you. Alright guys, I appreciate it. If you liked the video, go ahead and like it and subscribe, and we'll have another video soon. Thanks a lot. And remember to always try to pay it forward. Peace.